Congratulations to candidate number Candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4 is Miss Valerie G. Gabucan of St. Vincent's College.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2 is Miss Camila Kim Sumalpong of Zamboanga del Norte National High School.
Congratulations to candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6 is Miss Tisha Gail L. Bartolini of Andres Bonifacio College.
2 more left, ladies and gentlemen. I am not announcing the result in particular order. Congratulations, for you are one of the top 5 finalists. Candidate number Candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5 is Miss Cherish C. Pellegrino of St. Mary's Academy.
Again, to the rest of the ladies, congratulations in advance, for you have done your best for this year's search. Congratulations. I know it is not really easy. And to complete the top 5 finalists, congratulations to candidate number... That's candidate number 1.
Fatima A. Balias of Alberta Philby.
Thank you very much, candidates number 8, number 7, and number 3. Congratulations. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 finalists of the Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog. Candidates number 4, 6, 5, 1, and 2. Next competition. How do you feel right now?
I feel very happy.
Yes, but the competition has not yet ended on this elimination round. Alright, here we go. I will be giving you a piece of paper for you to write your answers as I give you the question. Alright? You will be given about 2 minutes to answer the question that I am about to read. Okay? But before that, may I request everyone to please sit down. May we request our Miss Teen Tourism 2008 to please... Oh, thank you. May we give you now the papers? Ma'am Gina of the City Tourism Office. Again, our contestants are given 2 minutes to answer the question that I am about to read. May I request the 5 ladies to please show the paper that it is really empty and no answers are written on it. Please. Thank you so much. Here we go. Okay, here we go. The question is stated this way. Again, you are given 2 minutes to answer the question. You may write your answer as I say go. What do you consider as your most memorable experience as a candidate of this year's Miss Teen Tourism and why? Again, what do you consider as your most memorable experience as a candidate of this year's Miss Teen Tourism and why? Go.
Kickstart! Let's go back! a little something for Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. My woman took her lane, the way she drop it on that thing. Got me running, spend my money on her. She get it poppin' like it's dropping that birthday cake. Gotta need to blow that crazy thing. My jewelry, shawty is cool. Nobody like fire, somebody call 911. Shawty fire, burning on the dance floor. I gotta do that money is a master race. The order is one of the years, but they don't know I'm taking it all.
30 seconds. Time's up. Stop writing. Thank you so much. At this juncture, may I ask a representative from the City Tourism Office, Ms. Gina, to verify the answers of our candidates. May I request the ladies to please stand up? Thank you. The question is stated this way: what do you consider as your most memorable experience as a candidate of this year's Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog, and why? Candidate number 4.
The most memorable thing was when I enrolled in St. Vincent's College. I was able to meet new friends, build confidence, and got closer to God, which is why I'm very thankful for having to enroll in St. Vincent's College. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 2.
It is when we're having our pictorial because
May I request the audience, please? Thank you.
it is when we were having our pictorial because it is our first time to meet each other and I gained friends. We enjoyed a lot together on our pictorial.
Ms. Gina, thank you. Candidate number 6.
Good evening, everyone. The best experience that I consider in joining this competition is knowing other people with different personalities and most of all, with all the strength of character coupled with a compassionate heart. That's all, thank you, and once again, God bless.
Well said, candidate number 6. Candidate number 5.
When my school urged me to join this certain pageant, I joined this competition not because I want to be somebody or I want to have a role, but because I want to vanquish and overcome my fears, anxiety of people, crowds that surrounds me, and also because I want to prove to myself that I have the potential to show up. That's all, thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And last but not the least, candidate number 1.
Good evening to everyone. During the talent night, because it was the time when we, the candidates, showed our different talents to the crowd. It was our shining night when we showed to everyone that we have our own different talents to be proud of. which was given by God.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. How about a big round of applause for our beautiful, lovely top finalist for tonight's competition.